Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook login problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and fix your Facebook login problem, the first thing you can do is try resetting your password. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try checking your internet connection. So there might be a problem with your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If none of it works, you might need to simply go ahead and head into any browser that you use and simply go ahead and go to recovery or recover.facebook.com right over here. And once you simply go ahead and do so, simply go ahead and tap on the first link. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and talk to Meta AI support assistant about your problem. And that should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.